Morning, you guys. It is Saturday. I just pulled up to the gym. I'm super tired. I know I probably look it too, and I'm sluggish. My monthly cycle is still on, and I'm still feeling that right now, but I'm about to try to go and push through and get a workout in. I'm gonna do some weightlifting while I wait for the 9 a.m. spin class, and then I'm probably gonna do that and then just head back to the house, film a video, edit, and do some stuff like that. About to head in now, and I'll probably check back in with you guys after I get ready to leave. So I just left my spin class. I did do a little bit of lifting, but Saturdays are busy at the gym that I go to. There's a whole bunch of people over there by the free weights, and I just couldn't even get my full lifting workout in because it wasn't enough machines, wasn't enough space. So I tried to do what I could do, and then I went to my spin class, and y'all, we got a new instructor for like the past few weeks, and he used to be an actual student in the class, so everybody's kind of familiar with him. The first few classes that he did as an instructor were cool. He wasn't like tripping or anything. It was just like good. I hadn't come to his class for like a few weeks, and I got here today, and I'm like, he completely switched up a little bit. He was like getting on people in the class about being on their phone, speeding up. It was a lot. People talking in the beginning of class because everybody's like, hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? It's good to see you. And he was up there like, excuse me, class has started. And I'm like, bruh, calm down. I can't stand when people get into like a new position and switch up on you. And another person in the class was just talking about that after, like, has this gone to his head or what? Because he was cool at first. We was rocking with him at first. But now, I don't know. So you guys, I just finished filming a video for the night. We were supposed to be going to the movies. Now hubby's talking about he wants to go and get food and go to the movies tomorrow. I don't think I'm ever gonna see this movie unless I take myself to it. I really like the way that my hair turned out. This is a Perm Rod set. I don't know if the video is gonna be up already or it's gonna go up after this vlog. It's probably gonna go up after this vlog. No, it's gonna already be up. And if it is, I'll link it in the description box below. But I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. I kind of want pizza, which is bad, and I'm still on the meal plan. I haven't eaten that much today. I ate the breakfast that was on there. I ate a handful or two of blueberries, and that was kind of it. That's all I've had for the whole day. So I feel like I have a lot of calories to spare. Probably would be good if he didn't want pizza, because then I don't know what I'd want. Maybe I'd just get a salad from somewhere. But we'll see. I'll update you guys if so. If not, then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. I'm getting ready to leave church. I think I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I also need to go by Best Buy and buy another hard drive because all the ones that I have now are completely full. From me doing vlogging, I didn't realize it would take up the space that quickly. I really need to clean the house. Like, that is something I definitely need to get on it. I feel like just everything in the house is dirty right now, and it needs to be clean from top to bottom. I'm kind of thinking about us getting cleaning services maybe once a month. Just feel like with a house, it's different than an apartment, and I feel like we need it. I can do washing and all of that. Like, I don't need a maid service for that, but just the real deep down cleaning that you need at least once a month for the house. So in terms of breakfast, I'm not done well with the fasting. I think I'm about to nix the fasting for this meal plan because it's just super hard for my lifestyle. We don't really normally eat early in our house. I'm not normally hungry a lot of the time during the day. It's like I get hungry at nighttime when it's around 9 and 10 o'clock at night. So I think I'm going to nix that, but I'm still gonna try to jump back on it and stick to the plan and the meals that are in the little booklet. I think I'm gonna get this big boy right here, 160, and I have some Best Buy money, a gift card, so I can get some money off of it. I have two smaller ones that are kind of similar to this that are portable. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take the portable ones with me on the go and then leave this one just set up at the house. Now I'm about to head to Ulta just to see what they have in there, because I think I told you guys that I have the whole partnership with them, this video coming up. And I'm supposed to go into the store on Friday to do the filming and pick out the products and all of that and kind of like take you guys along with me. Figure I'd go today and like take a look at the setup and all of that and how I want to go about filming the experience. Plus I just kind of feel like looking at makeup. Some days I feel like that. Me wanting to go to Home Goods to just look around, it's the same thing. I want to just go look at makeup, so I'm gonna do that. Morning, you guys. It is Monday and it's also a holiday. I did not meal prep yesterday. I didn't do much yesterday. So now I have to do some of the other stuff that I was supposed to do yesterday, today, i.e. meal prep. I did not go to the gym today just because I didn't feel like it. Kind of just want to stay in the house because we also need to clean up the house. I've been saying this for like the past few weeks and we still haven't done it yet. So kind of need to like get on it. I'm about to make breakfast. I don't know what I'm gonna make. So I'm about to go in the drawer and get my little notebook as usual and see what we have here for breakfast. Ooh, this seems like it's gonna be good. It's supposed to be a sausage, pepper, mushroom, and spinach scramble. That shouldn't take too long. And then the rest of the food on here, like we have tuna, what is this? Tuna, sun-dried tomato, and goat cheese salad. That does not sound appetizing at all. And then for dinner, it's supposed to be full pack Italian chicken and veggies. I have like 3 big meals that I need to make. Let's get started. What's up, you guys? It's around afternoon time now because I've been working on this little appeal that started last week and I haven't really had time to pop on. But this morning I went and worked out at the gym. I had my breakfast around, I think 11:30. It's around like 2 o'clock now. I just had my snack, which was a whole grapefruit, and I put a little bit of agave syrup on it just to make it a little bit sweet, but it wasn't super sweet. And the grapefruit actually tastes not bad at all. I haven't had grapefruits in a long time. I forgot that they're actually a fruit that I enjoy. What I brought for lunch was actually not what's on the meal plan for this week. It's from last week's, and it's just gonna be a tilapia fish salad. For now, I'm just busy working in the office, reading over briefs and stuff like that, and trying to get a lot of work in because we're actually supposed to be possibly having a snow day tomorrow. So I'm gonna be in the house and I need to make sure I have all the documents that I need for this particular case. Good morning, you guys. It's Wednesday. I'm working from home today, and we actually got snow overnight. Now I'm getting ready to do a quick at-home workout with one of my DVDs because of the snow. I'm not watching a movie. That's how the workout things start. What? No, I don't. It's trying to be funny. I had to whip out the DVD player. So I have this old school thing right here, which comes in handy. I have like a few workout DVDs that I got a long time ago. Rockin' Body. Y'all remember him? I think it's like what, Shaun T? I have like 2 of those and 3 of Jillian's. And I just got these off Amazon. They were super cheap, affordable. You gonna work out with me? Yeah? Yes, you gonna work out with me? Okay, we're gonna work out. I think the video stopped part of the way through the workout. That was a lot. The girl is sweating. I'm glistening. I'm glowing right now. And I didn't think it would be that hard because I used to do this workout DVD like years ago, and I wasn't even in the gym as consistent as I am now. But them little moves be getting you. They be getting you. So I'm glad workout is now complete. My hair looks even crazier. This little perm rod set isn't really holding up too well. I'm gonna need Starbucks around lunchtime.
I'm gonna need Starbucks. You know how white purpose this sounds?
No, it's not.
Yeah, wow. I am gonna need Starbucks around lunchtime.
Yes, so like a 1.
I'm gonna need lunch around lunchtime.
You have leftovers from last night already in there. What happened to you working out with me? You gonna tell them why you didn't work out with me? Can you explain to them how you was over here chilling while I was working out? You're getting chunky too. We both need to be working out, right? All the treats you be eating. This is going to be my late lunch. I have about 2 ounces of brown rice in here, 4 ounces of shrimp, garbanzo beans, a little bit of spinach, tomato, and then also some mushrooms. I'm about to do a little bit more of editing. If you guys are interested, I'll link it in the description box below because it is going to be a updated perm rod set. And of course, hubby did make an appearance in this video. Been a pretty boring, if you will, day. It hasn't been much going on. I've just been doing work for my job. I had a conference call that I had to take not too long ago for about an hour. So it's not that much going on today. For my meal tonight, this is what I'm having. Is a little bit of brown rice, tomatoes, asparagus, chicken breast. I didn't eat any of the snacks that were on the menu because I did not like them. One of the snacks was just plain cucumbers. Like, what the heck? Cucumbers, tomatoes with the cucumbers, or anything. So I didn't eat that snack. And then the other snack was supposed to be Greek yogurt with nothing. So I don't know what's going on with that part in terms of the snacks, but I was just like, I'd rather be hungry and not eat the snacks and eat those bland items that were on here. So I just nixed the snacks for today. And then I'm gonna drink a tall glass of water. If you guys are interested, I actually got this off of Amazon. If I remember, I will link it in the description box below. This thing is really good. It's a glass bottle, so it's supposed to be better for you instead of plastic. And then it has this little protective silicone thing that's hugging it. I've dropped it a few times and it actually hasn't broken on me. So absolutely love this bottle.
Hit them beside, from a wicked and white. Hit them beside, pass the side.
Back from the gym now, and I'm like trying to move it. I am having basically the same thing that I did as yesterday for my breakfast. It's the end of the day. It's like 5:30. And I also just finished washing my hair and styling it so it can air dry a little bit. Haven't eaten much at all. I did eat some nuts that I have, like a little small packet. I'll actually show you guys. I think I showed you these in the vlog for, oh, excuse me, for last week or the week before. That I get these from Home Goods. The macros on these are really great as well. I just had one of these. I'm not super hungry, so I don't really want to make what I'm supposed to eat or what I was supposed to have eaten for lunch. So I think I'm just gonna eat some of this protein cereal right here that's by Special K. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for dinner just yet. I might do something on the meal plan. I don't know, just this time with this whole meal plan, I'm straying from it a lot and just going with the flow and what I feel that I wanna do, and it's normally somewhere within the macros. Definitely recommend, like if you're doing this and you wanna lose a significant amount of weight, that you should follow the meal plan. But for me, I know I'm in like a okay area. I'm more so wanting to maintain and gain muscle mass, so always the case. Whenever I'm filming, they gotta make noise, they gotta do stuff. But like I was saying, I just wanna maintain and I want to add more muscle to my frame. The whole purpose of these, I'm seeing these vlogs are going to be, is just about giving you guys like a little insight into what's in the meal plan, how to prepare the food, so you can kind of like see if you want to do it as well. If I lose some weight, great, but that's not really my main focus with it. So hopefully that like helps you guys a little bit, because y'all are probably like, this girl started this meal plan and she has not been on it at all, like from jump. But that's kind of where I am with it right now. It's more so like this is just like a guide for me, but it's not something as the Bible. What's up, you guys? It's Friday. It's actually afternoon time. It's a little after 12. I am making my way out of the house because I have some content creating that I need to get done. So I didn't really have much time this morning. I was trying to edit the vlog from last week because I'm putting that up tomorrow and I need to get that done. This week has just been kind of hectic and busy. What I ended up eating for breakfast was actually cereal. Again, I had that for kind of like my lunch slash dinner last night. I wasn't super hungry and I know I should have eaten more than that. I definitely should have eaten more protein yesterday because I haven't been keeping track of it like I should be with my app that I use, which is LifeSum. Today is just going to be interesting because I haven't really prepped anything, and Fridays are normally busy days for me because that's when I try to do the most of my YouTube content creating, editing, and all of that. So I really don't have time to be trying to meal prep, which is why I need to do it all on the front end, meaning the beginning of the week. I feel like this is the second week that I haven't really done well with the meal plan. I'm really gonna continue doing it and try to stick it out and get back on it so you guys can really see that it's doable. Today I am supposed to do a wrap up of the meal plan like I normally do since it is Friday. I feel like I was kind of all over the place. I didn't actually eat all of the meals that were assigned. The ones that I did eat, I enjoyed them. In terms of the snacks for this week, I did not like them. I feel like it was just anything. I'm looking forward to next week's meals. Hopefully they will be something a little bit more that I will like on there. So that's it. I'm gonna head off to continue on to do my content creating. So for a quick lunch, I'm about to go and get me some Panera bread. This is what I'm going to be getting, and the thing I like about this app is that it actually breaks down the calories for you. I'm going to be getting a cup of the broccoli cheddar soup, which is only 230 calories, and then I'm also going to be getting the chicken salad sandwich, which is 310 calories, for a total of 540 for the day. That's actually not too bad. I feel like that's along the lines of what one of my meals have been for lunch on the actual meal plan. You have a busy lifestyle and you eat out a lot, finding good places where you can still find food that's within the calorie range that you're trying to stay in, and they also have it on here where it's easy for you to even monitor and see how much the foods are that you're eating. They are a little expensive though. They be giving me the reward, so I got $1 off of You Pick Two, which made it a little bit better. But I mean, $8 and something for a cup of soup and a half sandwich, I don't know, that's just a little much, just a little much.